Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in New Perspectives Excel 2019 Module 1 SAM Project 1B. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. Open the provided Excel file and save it with the updated name. Step 2. Ensure your name appears in cell B6 on the documentation sheet. Step 3. Move to the committee's sheet, cut the range C2, and paste it into B2. Then, AutoFit column B and set column F's width to 26. Step 4. Enter data in cells B8 as shown in the assignment. Step 5. Use Flash Fill to complete email addresses in column F and AutoFit column G. Step 6. Create totals using the sum function in D15 for grants and copy it to E15 for budgets. Step 7. Count committees in cell C17 using the count function. Step 8. Switch to the cash flow sheet, change its orientation to landscape, adjust row heights, and update text. Step 9. Insert formulas for cash flow calculations, apply AutoSum to G7, clear cell B11, and wrap text in G6. Step 10. Adjust zoom to 110% and insert a new worksheet for auditing.
If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309655268, or log into our website helpandhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.